Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Gather the tools: a base coat, 2 nail polish colors, blooming gel, a dotting tool, and a small fan or blow dryer set low. File nails to desired shape and lightly buff the surface. Remove dust with an alcohol wipe to ensure adhesion. Apply a thin base coat and cure for 30 seconds under LED or 2 minutes under UV before ombre steps. Work in a well-lit area and organize colors left to right to avoid confusing shades during the blending process. Paint 2 small zones of polish on the nail. Place small 3-4 mm drops of each polish on the nail where you want the gradient to begin and end. Immediately apply a thin line or tiny dot of blooming gel between or on top of colors to activate the spread. Blooming gel encourages colors to flow without fully mixing. Use a clean, fine dotting tool and gently move or tap the gel for 6-12 seconds until you see a soft transition. Avoid overworking, or the colors will mute. After you shape the ombre, let the blooming action settle for 10-15 seconds so pigments spread naturally. Do not blow directly, or you will disturb the blend. If needed, gently dry with a low fan or low heat for 2-4 seconds to set motion, then immediately apply a thin layer of top coat and cure for 60 seconds under LED or 2 minutes under UV to lock the gradient. Clean edges with a 2 mm brush dipped in acetone for crisp lines, and finish with cuticle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.